Me and my main boy, Abraham, is here.
I'm Abraham.
I'm John. And today what we want to do is to make a very special kind of video that shows how you or Abraham can become a master of Midjourney with a setup of, I don't know, 5 minutes?
You, me, mid-journey. Get it?
Middle ground.
All right.
All right, so how do we do this magic?
Let's show them one.
Yeah, good idea.
So this kind of image and many others are images we generate via
Let me
this.
just say, we
Yeah.
are aiming at the top. We are saying if we look at the community and we see images that are like killer
That's a good one.
images.
That's a killer. That's a killer
That's a
image.
killer
right
image, yeah.
there. Yeah, you know what I mean?
We
Wait.
get, like, how do you get to this kind of quality? How do you get, not just to generate an image. Today you can generate an image with practically everything, Copilot, Bing, you name it. But how do you get stunning results? So this is the main question. And we're going to use Midjourney, obviously, a paid subscription. And I'm using a $10 paid subscription. And you can always upgrade it to $30 if you got the dough. But it's good enough. You can also use Stable Diffusion Free, which is free for like 5 or 6 images generation, but more on that later. So the process is simple. We're going to use Discord. Now, I'm going to link below something called Midjourney AI Israel. And the reason we are going to use that Discord server bot is because they have fine-tuned a process. They streamlined the process in which I can ask the chat, give me a picture of a dog, all right? And he will do the magic. The same, you can think of it as the same if I go to ChatGPT and explain to him about Midjourney and teach him, fine-tune him, and then he would return a prompt which I can use. So you get out of the box, you get the invitation link below, as I've said, to this server. So out of the box, you get, I think, 13 credits. So you can already start creating images with Stable Diffusion Free.
Let's say the name of that server again.
Okay, it's called Midjourney AI Israel, and as I've said, it's linked before. It's a Discord bot. I will send the invite link for everyone watching it. You could see it down below. Okay. Also, if there would be additional files, we would share everything. So okay, let's say you have an active Discord and you're connected to both this community, the Midjourney AI Israel, and Midjourney, obviously. So we're not teaching how to connect those, but we are going to use them.
We can do another video.
Sure, would love to. Okay, so once I'm in, my project today with Abraham, we are doing something special, which we call, it's a pet project of mine. I'm doing the graphics, and Adam is doing the music. It's a book, it's a game board, it's tarot, it's very nice. So we have designed some t-shirts. Also, if you want to see one of them, you can follow for merch. I think this one is already out in the open. So how do we get to this process where we can make powerful imagery? Now let me see what we have here. I think this is kind of neat. Let's see more. This is all right.
So it's worth telling them about continuity right off the bat, I think. Because we both have learned with the different AI generators, should I say image generators, that unless there's a certain continuity and you kind of know how to build the prompt and get results, to a degree you're going to get lost.
Yeah, it's very hard to really, if we skim from my library of generated images, it's very hard to maintain consistency. Now today, Midjourney 6 has really evolved into the paid, where I'm revisiting a prompt. I can really actually copy it really fast and cref into it. So this video is not about consistent characters, okay? But the options are very have evolved tremendously today. So I can make this kind of same images, but
Yeah, let's say somebody's already signed in on a platform and they're working on prompting.
Okay, let's start from the very top, from the very bottom. Sorry. Uh, we want to create an image. So we are in the server. So I could ask it prompter. I would invoke it by using the prompt term /prompter, and then it would ask me for image and style. So I would say we are generated something, and this is for a basic thing. I'm not showing how we develop a product, how we just approach it.
I think it's worth just noticing the difference between the prompt command that we're going to work on and imagine.
Yeah.
I don't know if everybody already understand that we're leaping forward.
It's a leap, but I believe people are aware of what it is. And
Yeah.
let's just say if I go to Midjourney bot or the Midjourney channel, once I hit 10K, I can use their generative CLI, you can say, even though this is far from CLI.
What's CLI stand for?
Command line interface, where I input my prompt.
Okay. Comparing to Discord, which is you're having to use a little bit of coding language, let's say minimal command.
The minimum possible.
What does this prompter do?
Okay, so let's say I would like to generate a logo for a dog, okay? In a vector style.
A logo for a dog, for a pet?
I'm a veterinarian.
Okay, veterinarian,
and I have my site. I want to create a new logo.
Okay.
So
logo for a veterinarian.
Okay, yeah, perfect example. Logo for a veterinarian.
Yeah, style. I think it needs to be family friendly.
Family friendly is good, but it's still not the style. Let me just explain why. Family friendly. It's still the prompt. The style what I'm aiming at is either vector, retro, vintage, pop.
Okay.
What visually happens?
So the style is talking about the literal graphics, and almost helping the generators understand what. Yeah, I understand. What technology, what pixelization.
So let's say it's vector based, and let's just throw in, I don't know, DeviantArt.
So this means it's gonna reference the internet site DeviantArt?
The kind of
or a concept?
Atmosphere.
All right. Let's see what it gives us.
Okay, so just saying, I could go to Midjourney and try to...
Let's compare. Is that what you were gonna say?
Yeah.
Same prompt?
Same prompt.
But how are we going to translate it into a...
Yeah, no, you know what? Let's not compare. Let's just take it for granted that it's good, okay?
All right.
So I'm just hitting it here, and I could also hit it using the Midjourney prompt, but it's the same. I could also use Imagine, right?
Right.
Or just paste in my...
Okay.
It's already in.
Oh, well, that's not going to give anything different. What if you erase...
It's going to generate using Midjourney, because I'm in the prompt, I use prompter.
Okay, what is that not Stable Diffusion?
It is if I use my credits. I could generate it now with Stable Diffusion free. Let's see what it does, just for fun.
Yeah.
But already have begun creating it here, and we got...
Right, so that, you comment first.
I love it. It's just it's not professional, okay? But the outcome...
I would say that's not a logo.
No.
No.
But it's...
That's family friendly.
Yeah.
But that's the only thing you got. Erase the family friendly. We can't keep working with this prompt with that.
I don't care about the output, but I do say here is the really amazing quality. It could be cleaned. It should be cleaned. Like no animals.
I don't know. I don't like a heart. I like that one better. Go to the elephant.
Ah, yeah.
We can turn the elephant into a vet logo by
the way,
chromatic.
Okay, look at what he done.
I mean, it's pretty close. But it didn't give us the first one. What was the first one you tried? Prompter, this.
Yeah.
That's that one?
Mm-hmm.
Show it.
And also, if you take a look at what happened here, a cheerful logo.
Oh, it changed it for
featuring a stethoscope forming a heart. Okay, so
So
that's a
it's-
specific request.
It's re-engineering your prompt.
Yeah, that's precisely what I'm saying. It does two things. First, it's re-engineering the prompt. Secondly, it speaks in Midjourneyan.
Yeah.
And that is why I've said that for me this is a high quality image, because I know that if I would try to get this kind of result on my own, it would take me a lot of time. So I already get a good style in. Maybe we're dwelling too much on logos. Let's jump.
I don't know. I want to get a logo. I don't see a logo. Where's the name of the veterinarian? Where's the clinic? That's not a logo.
I see- I
Jonathan, if we're gonna tell people that you can make a logo easily,
Yeah.
let's make it happen. So
All
go
right.
back to the prompt.
So you know what? Let's do the reverse engineering kind of thing that I thought. Instead of going on space drives, let's do it on logos. So I'm going for the community.
Okay.
Instead of starting straight from the prompter, we are searching for a logo.
Similar ideas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And now we get
There we go.
Now we got veterinarian logos.
Let's integrate. So you like the hearts and all that graphics.
I like the
one, that one.
styling. Yeah.
Yeah.
That one is nice. Perfect. Yeah. So it's only like the writing, right? The caption.
I mean, you want to integrate some of what our previous prompt was? Let's look at the.
Let's
the
just show
different-
the process. Let's streamline the.
that's what I'm saying.
Let's say it's perfect. Okay. It's not, but let's say it is.
Okay, I'll go with it.
But it's fine. It's amazing. Okay. I'm just saving it, and what I'm doing now is reverse engineering it back. This is where the magic comes. So I'm gonna upload the image. I'm using the
Oh.
describe feature,
Yeah, you showed me this.
and now
Okay.
I need to do something.
One more what?
No.
Image?
No, just hit it.
What about the name of the?
Okay, now this is the actual command we're gonna build. It's gonna alter it, but we are gonna get sort of like a recipe on how to. If I do this and even use the image, I would get an image which resembles this.
Yeah.
But I'm talking about C. It gave me 4 different options. Now there is something we need to understand, that the prompter is limited to 250 characters.
Yeah.
So we got a limiting factor here. Anyhow, I've chosen one which is short enough but looks good. And I'm just,
Before you do it, let's add a name. Dr.
sure,
Dog.
sure,
Dr. Dog.
sure. Dr. Dog.
Because that's what you were saying. You said you have. Let's do a logo for a dog. There we go.
Dr. Dog.
Logo.
Logo. Vector
Design
design with a
silhouette
silhouette
of
of an orange. Now,
Let's go yellow. What the yellow here? Let's change the. I don't know. Whatever. Leave it. Just leave it.
just notice how I take the style and kick it out. Sorry. And style orange, green, and yellow color.
Okay.
You want to change something in colors?
No. Let's just do it.
I think 2 hummingbirds are too much.
Yeah.
We don't need.
Just a bird.
Oh, it's gonna take care of
Oh,
dogs.
a cat,
so-
a bird, and
I don't. Well,
dog. Black street dog alongside a cat. Okay.
Oh.
Let's do it.
orange Labrador and a black street dog. Too much.
How about a smaller dog? Because Labrador and street dog.
Just a dog alongside a cat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Simplicity. Okay, so
Yeah.
so we took an original kind of, and just for reference, let's do that.
Yeah.
So we know.
Are you gonna put this prompt into the Discord?
No, actually we already got our.
What if we put this? Oh, now that's what we're doing. Okay.
So I'm just
Don't even
deleting
reference.
anything.
Yeah.
And sending their new request.
Okay.
Now it's creating it, obviously. So that's the process. But
Yeah.
I just want to say, originally I had the idea of going through the top. Like you can go top week, top month in the community. For instance, if we like something, we just download it and describe it again, because it's a good starting point to find a killer
Yeah,
image.
definitely. That's a good thing to talk about. Is where you're starting at.
Yeah, so
Because
you find
if you have
something.
some sort of vague idea, or maybe
Look at this.
An application. Wow, that's
Amazing.
awesome.
So I'm
Oh,
just
that's so good.
saving it, and you can describe.
Let's see it.
There is no limit to descriptions.
Descriptions.
There is no limit. So I can. It's not gonna cost you anything.
All right.
So describe, and reprompt it. But we are limited here, and we might hit the cap in the prompter.
This is letting you choose which one.
Oh,
of
did I?
them. You
Yeah.
didn't even talk about that.
Yeah, the credits for prompter.
Well, before credits, just the fact that you have DALI, SDXL, and
Yeah.
Stable Diffusion 3.
So the prompter can actually generate my images using Midjourney, but I'm inside a public space, meaning everything I do here, everyone sees it. Good, bad, you think about it. But when I'm on my own channel using Midjourney, nobody sees it. I'm on my own. So let's get back to the prompter. And they have their own credit system. It's free of charge, but it does run out. So I need to ask for it my info. And then it will tell me you got only 3 credits left. Oh, sorry, not info. Which one?
Credits?
I need to choose prompter bot info. Show my credits for info. So I got only 7 left. So I'm kind of.
You're never gonna get more if they don't cost money.
You just need to ask them, guys, give me, and then in 2 days they give you back. So you get like 13 each time. I think we're building a payment system somehow.
Okay.
You can always create more users, but yeah, it's.
Okay. Let's say you get some credits.
So
Let's try the DALI one. Is that okay?
No, we did one.
You want to stay on? Which one was that with?
I think we've done that one with Stable Diffusion 3. It's nice. It's cute. Let's see what he's
Okay,
done with
so
our request.
This renderer is. Oh, that looks really good, in my opinion. But
Yeah, it's good.
there you go. But that's a little bit too non-family friendly.
Too dark and maybe
Yeah.
too many animals, but it's a big step in the right direction. I
Yeah.
think.
Is there more?
No, it's only 4. But you get the idea. If we
Yeah.
wanted a logo done today,
Yeah, we
in
could.
5
do it.
minutes we've done.
I mean, I don't know. It's taken us 5 minutes just to get to this point.
Yeah, well, 10 minutes.
Let's say it's a jump in the right direction.
Okay, so let's just jump straight to our project.
I still would like to get a final, at least one logo. I mean, that's what we're here to talk about. What's our project on the T-shirt?
Our project, yeah, you can say T-shirt, but we would like to develop this sort of like space turret.
Even if I start a little project like that logo, I would want to get at least one.
You're a perfectionist.
No, just a usable.
Yeah. Well, I can tell you I've done my logo.
All right, so let's show them logos. I mean, I'll show you my logo that I've done
Sure, I can show you
without AI.
Yeah, I can show you on my site. It's been a process. It's not like it's given me the right logo on the first go. I needed to go for several stages.
This John Mogi was made with a hummingbird with the Midjourney Alpha.
I think for this one I've used Copilot several times and Midjourney several times.
Okay.
If you want, I can show you. Very simple. By going create and hitting logo, you would see how much effort it took me, and it was before I've streamlined this process.
Yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted them to the audience.
So you can play with it. You can, there are stylings you can use.
What about if somebody gets a little confused when you jump back and
Overwhelmed.
forth? You're talking about Discord and this Midjourney, and then we talked about some of the other guys, Stable Diffusion, DALI.
Copilot.
Somebody that's not a complete beginner that already knows AI-ish, if you guys know what I mean, someone like that may already have a preferred program. Would you recommend definitely mix and match?
Yeah, well, basically today we are going for an evolution where, 4 months ago I had to be a technician, okay? I needed to understand, like if I go for tilt, I was designing kind of coloring books. So if you look at each prompt, you would see tilt, shift, comic book, few panels. So it's all very technical.
Yeah.
And it's very specific. And today we are going for an evolution in which I can just hit up Copilot and it would approach DALI 3. I could go specifically for the designer, but I could also just stay here and ask him draw me a sheep. Okay. Happy, carnivorous. Okay.
Here, erase the H. Just leave it sappy. Leave it sappy. Sappy means
Okay.
kichi.
So what I mean is, I don't need to process and be in a jargon or study. Okay, I need to. This is kind of funny, but usually it works like let's just copy that into the designer. I think the cop got stressed from a stream, but I think a designer will be able to do it. But anyhow, the idea is I'm having a conversation with the AI, and he's just doing it. That's the sheep. Don't tell. Okay, yeah, he's generating. Okay, so going back to Midjourney, while he's processing the request, I don't need to be a technician. This is why I'm using the prompt.
That's perfect.
Okay, so zero knowledge, you can create this kind of images out of a box. This is for free, right? Carnivorous sheep.
He's pretty sappy. Zakima to say it doesn't make you feel bad.
So what I'm saying, this is not highest quality, all right? I want to do the same process for my images. I want to go and see killer images.
Oh yeah, yeah. Let me take this one too.
Killer images in the community, and use them. So let's hit up Tarot.
Okay, this is what we're gonna work on today.
Yeah.
So let's do a new one, or
Okay.
first check out what the community is talking about.
I'm looking for what I'm looking for is the structure,
Yeah.
because the interior design we have. So the style.
Okay, that's
So I'm looking for a good card, you can say. It
All right.
shouldn't be so dark, perhaps. I don't know.
I know that we're trying to get towards the space cards. So when here you guys see these marks, or somewhat do you see them? Show them one of the ones we've done.
Okay.
It should be here.
Yeah, it's here, obviously. These are the best ones.
Down, 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 down.
Okay, this
Here.
one. This one and the last, the Elysium one.
Okay, Elysium is a term that we're both getting excited about. It's talking about
Valhalla.
the afterlife, basically. So if you remember the movie Gladiator, the commander Maximus is telling the soldiers, don't be afraid if you find yourselves in a green field by yourself. You're not crazy.
I'm gonna watch this movie again.
You've just transferred into the next life. You're in Elysium. So don't be afraid of battle. That's what the gladiator was talking about. We're talking about don't be afraid of life, basically, or death. They both happen.
Like the Joker said to Harley Quinn, would you dare to live with me?
All right. So getting into this Elysium concept, I mean, it's pretty clear.
In Hinduism, you can say that this is the god Vishnu.
Yeah. No, Shiva.
Well,
Looks to me like
I think he's saying
Oh.
Hinduism says there's a drama, and you are now playing the game. I think Alan Watts is discussing this a lot.
I know what you're talking about, but the big giant guy in the
This is Shiva.
I mean, this looks like a movie cover
yeah.
more than a tarot card. Go back to the other one. This looks like Shiva. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah,
But
because it's blue.
let's not compare to religion. Let's just.
it is spiritual.
It's spiritual for sure.
All right.
So can we give them that picture and one maybe together?
Yes, absolutely. But before that, let's see how we create a sort of style guide. I really love these ones.
Yeah, I love those ones. All right.
But if we can zoom in, you need to zoom in on
I
it.
mean, you could give it that, and it would
Yeah, I'm thinking
You wanna-
of
you wanna
really
cut-
zooming in on it
cut this one.
and just like
Oh yeah. But give him two. If he has two,
I can give him all three.
all three.
Just I don't want all the
All the noise.
okay, and I can just paste it directly into
Wow.
Discord so I can get an address.
Screenshot.
Now I just press on it and apply copy image address. Why do I do that? Because I'm gonna slash describe it for a link.
Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Describe.
And now we are getting, now we might need to clean it up from a stack of cards, for example.
Yeah.
So several tarot cards, blah, blah, blah. We need to clean it up. But
And it's always going to give you these four
no,
reverse engineering?
you can upload the same image again and again, and it would generate new ones.
Oh my gosh. But did you set it to 4?
No, each time 4, and you can also
same as images.
you can also imagine all, but that's
Going too far.
no,
Get
it's
lost.
irrelevant, because what we are doing is we are reverting an image
Yeah.
into a style.
Yeah.
A close-up of tarot cards. Well, yeah,
Card.
let's just say tarot card with colorful design and mystical symbols featuring the zodiac sign of a sun in the center of it. Well, all right.
Featuring zodiac signs. I wouldn't let it say the sun in the center. That's too much.
Featuring.
It's not giving him enough freedom of.
Yeah. Now the style. Let's see if we get a style. Mystical and magical themes. Mystical symbol. Mysticism.
I mean,
Okay. Wait. Celestial punk.
that's good.
So just combine two.
Fantasy realism.
Oh, I like your direction. You're inside.
I mean, it said it right there.
Ah, all right.
Down 4.
Fantasy
Yeah,
realism.
yeah.
Yeah. So a combination of fantasy realism and
And the celestial punk.
celestial punk. Okay, in the style of Gustave Doré.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Now we got.
We got an artist. I want to check out who that is.
All right. He gives us the link. Check it out.
Oh, it's gonna give us that on. Show everybody. Oh man.
Oh, kind of dark.
Yeah, but we want that
Yeah,
for this grown-up version of tarots.
we do. All right.
Wow, that's cool. Okay.
So hit it, enter.
Hit it.
Crafting your prompt. So how easy? Do you think you want to take over and do the same?
Me?
Yeah.
You want me to do a few of them?
Let's summarize everything.
How long have you been rolling?
I think 30 minutes.
Okay.
I'm just saying the basic idea was to take you from a novice to a pro. And have we done that?
I mean, I learn best when I do things by myself.
Yeah, that's why I want you.
You want to put
Let's
me in the
switch
seat?
seats.
All right.
I'll be your advisor.
All right. Well, I work a little faster than you.
That's better. That's
All right.
perfect.
Where am I?
First off, if you want to just
Yeah, let's
Just hit-
explore a little bit.
okay.
All right. I mean,
Let-
I've been working on another song. Here, let's do this one. All right, I showed the guys my tattoo. This one is called the Fearless. Let's say Fearless Tarot. I kind of have a direct approach. So this is giving me nothing like what I'm imagining at all. That means I need
Just
to.
add a T, I think maybe.
Oh yeah. Also, I think I need a.
Okay.
Okay, this is better. How about we start with one of those other prompts? All right. This is what I like to do. I'll just grab this tarot card and I'm gonna go. Oh, that didn't work.
By the way, if you hit create and go to the very top, this is not the very top, you need to really, maybe we're using the scroller. Okay, so this is actually the generation.
Oh,
we
these
made.
are what we got.
Yeah. And you can use the arrows.
I mean, it's pretty good, but it doesn't look like a tarot card.
No. But I love the styling.
Yeah, I love the style too. So let's use the style.
So let's say we need just to incorporate this with an actual card. And this is kind of advanced, but I think we did manage to manifest how we take an idea
Yeah.
and
All
recreate
right,
it
let's
powerfully.
use this one. No, I can't use these, bro. I don't like this.
This is nice.
All right, we can use this. You use that for one of yours, all right? I want to do something else.
Cool.
No, not explore, create, here. I need the prompt that we just gave it.
But let's start from the beginning because I've told you I want to teach you how
Do
to
it this
prompt
way.
using the prompter.
All right.
So
Here we go. Let's go like this. Community.
let's say before you do a prompt, you go for the prompter. See what I mean?
That's the rule.
No, I don't know if it's a rule.
No, rule for today's project.
Yeah, sure.
It's the mesima. It's the task.
Your assignment for today.
I'm gonna
if you
try
choose to
here.
accept.
I like this guy. I've seen a few elements. So use image or
Just-
use prompt,
well, you could just hit it.
and then copy the URL.
Yeah, copy the URL.
All right.
Or right click it. No.
Use reference style. Oh, reference style is good.
It is good. cref is good.
No, that's not
Just
what I want.
hit it once. Hit it. And right click it and copy image address. Yeah.
Okay.
So now you can describe it.
Oops.
I think you need to just make a space after the describe, right? Something was very fast. Describe the command, okay? And now link, choose link because it's a sort of like a drop down.
I get it.
Yeah. That's the enter. That's the Discord interface.
Yeah, no problem. I mean, Discord is a little closer to machine.
Yeah, almost. It's a machine.
No, I know, but when you get GUI, graphic user interfaces that are
Yeah, you need to get used to it, obviously. So we got the 4 options. No, don't touch the buttons.
Oh, here they are.
Yeah.
Elephant dressed in old suit, an elephant. Okay, they're all talking about an elephant. I want to change the subject matter, but use the style.
So we got the vintage attire, we've got the urban street art, and we got artwork with digital painting. I really like this one. I think if you alter some texts
All
there,
right, let me try and do something crazy. I'm English native, so I can do this stuff. I'm just gonna go crazy on this. Let's go like this.
you can even leave them, but then maybe it would.
All right. The
write
first thing
1,
is
2, 3, 4.
an old suit. All right. I want no face. I want to try and create an image, a faceless suit. There we go. A face. Oh, sorry. From fearless to faceless. That's
All right.
that's how fast. A faceless old soul juggling planets while riding on the back of his space board. Oil painting vintage, dark blue tones. Background is abstract scene with graffiti and falling leaves. High resolution, hyper realistic, highly detailed, highly quality, high definition, hyper realistic. You can erase this. An elephant juggling apples, riding on a bicycle, dressed in blue
Just
hats.
to tell you one thing,
Yeah.
wherever there are several parameters within a long, so you might need to kick out all the parameters, the one with the double dash, or just move them to the last one.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Cool.
Here, high detail, high quality, high resolution, full body portrait, high definition, background, urban streets. No.
It reminds me, there's something called Vary region in which you can do in painting. For example, you could paint the apple and say watermelon.
Oh yeah?
So some guys just realized after a few months or weeks, days, whatever, that you just vary region the whole area and it regenerates it better. So I think like what you're trying to do now resembles this in a way because you're taking all 4 descriptions.
Yeah.
This is nice.
This is written twice.
But it's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work, but you let me sit down on this. All right, let's delete it. Let's go.
It's cool, it's cool.
Does
So
that-
now it's generated
work?
1 minute for generation. I think it would work. I don't know what you would have.
You don't know what we're gonna get.
No, do the same, click on one of those.
Hold on, let it doesn't complete.
No, we have a nice, no, don't cancel.
Okay.
Just click on them
Okay.
and copy that
And now give it to the other guy
to the prompter.
to help us build it better.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have a
Describe or
only thing. It's prompter, but the only thing we hate the 250 characters. So I'm thinking of invoking ChatGPT.
it's okay. I'll just how do you
Need to
know?
Clean
How
up.
do you know?
This is exactly why I'm saying to invoke ChatGPT.
Okay,
because
okay.
Just open a new tab and call for chat support.
Chat support, please.
Yeah, we got it one. It's inside the model, just doing it. It's cool. Just write.
Help me
Trim it to
trim
250
this
cars.
prompt for Mid-Journey
No, you don't need to do that. Just for 250 cars.
to 250 characters.
And just paste. Yeah. Control V.
Sorry.
Just space, then Control V. Yeah. Okay. Done.
Thanks, ChatGPT. So do we want to put it back in here
Yeah,
again?
okay, so inside the prompter, /prompter.
Oh. No, that didn't work.
Just command A, Control A. Just delete. Sorry, /P. Yeah, you got it. Prompter, the first one.
Space, no. Concept.
Okay, so this is the concept.
Style,
Now,
digital stuff.
okay, yeah, great.
Oh, you know what we're missing though? We're missing. Oh, sorry, that needs to cut. We're missing the guy, the artist. What's his name?
Oh, you can go back a bit.
Oh,
Whoa,
that's pretty good.
that is pretty good. That's without. Oh, that is a nice.
Wow.
But you made an intervention. It wasn't only.
It's true.
You didn't only copy the four ones. You also manually.
I retranslated it.
Yeah.
No, because I'm telling you, I'm a Native American English speaker, let's say.
Which is a great.
Plus, I've been working with the software a little bit, so.
Yeah. So
wow,
it's not the usual
pretty
user.
cool. No,
But
not necessarily.
It's.
Yeah, because I took that and I just made what I wanted out of it.
It's really powerful.
See, I use these here. Let's use one. If he built.
Let's compare.
Compare my
Compare manual with describe.
There you go.
So yeah, you can take that. No, just take that.
With 100.
Yeah.
What's the 100 mean? Pixels or something?
No. Stylize is actually you can actually imagine
Oh,
here.
here's this guy.
Yeah.
Let's add that name though.
Well, you don't have double copy.
No, I
So
know.
you
I'm gonna
want to-
recopy it.
It's an Ubuntu machine.
Here we go.
I need to hack my system a bit.
Imagine prompt details.
You can copy everything with Imagine because it would work now.
Hold on. Oh no.
Copy. Just replace the first one maybe.
No, it's not giving it to me. We need to switch places again.
Nah.
Okay.
Boom. No.
Ubuntu.
It didn't.
Parameter.
Because
It needs to be before the 100.
no, he thought they were parameters. It's funny.
Here, maybe take the keyboard to the middle.
Imagine prompt. Let's just check the imagine prompt.
Oh, Gustavo, add the guy.
Yeah, add him.
So we're gonna just take this,
Gustave Doré.
copy, and we're gonna go to here, Celestial Gustave Delay, right here. There we go.
That's good.
Wow.
Okay, so we got one last minute, I think, to summarize what we learned today. To be.
Yeah, let's see this image. Let's compare them.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
So, an ancient faceless being sways through a cosmic landscape in a spaceport juggling celestial. Yeah, it ends up that the.
I think what the prompter does is really the process where, and you can see it, is giving it that high quality boost.
I liked one sentence you said during this whole cast, and that was, "Help speak Mid-Journey-ish."
Yeah.
So that's what the prompter Discord environment is helping us.
Because I really love yours, but professionally, when I'm looking at those, I'm just like, wow.
I mean, yeah, we're on the tarot quest, so these are all archetypes or models for our tarots. But we're developing the style, and then we'll cap it into the little rectangles.
So tomorrow, when you need to do a cover for your album, a logo, would you use Midjourney?
Oh, I don't know. Suno gives pretty good ones.
But Suno is an.
I've been making music on Suno, so yeah, I don't know. Jonathan, you're the only one who's really been teaching me all this stuff.
Cool.
I don't think
Guys, if you found something usable from this, and also if you want to get some merch like this or the spare tarot cards, we already presenting them on site.
I got a really original promotion. Like, subscribe, and check out our store.
Ciao, bye. Bye bye.